How important is your flash palette? And what does it mean for you as a professional makeup artist? Do you struggle trying to get the perfect foundation colors and your RCMA Pro palette just doesn't give you all the colors you need? Well, if you have a flash palette in your kit, you can make the perfect foundation color for any client. Did you know only 4 colors from this palette can create any foundation color for any skin tone? Yes, by carrying a flash palette, you can not only create any skin tone foundation color, but you can also eliminate your concealer and corrector palettes from your Pro kit. It's designed for professional makeup artists. Learn how to use this flash palette in my secret little webinar designed for you, the professional makeup artist. Color theory isn't just about editorial makeup or special effects makeup. Color theory is about learning how to use this flash palette on any face for any client for any occasion.